with a price tag of less than $1,400 per square feet, freehold and located in District 9. Isn't it unbelievable? Welcome to Starlight Suite Penthouse, where luxury meets convenience in the heart of Singapore. Hi, I'm Shania from Orange Tea AAG. This stunning condo offers everything you could ever dream of in a home. It is a 3-bedroom triplex unit which boasts a spacious 3,240 square feet of living space. Step inside and be greeted by this luxury design and modern comforts of this property with a very high ceiling. Featuring 3 ensuite bedrooms, a powder room, and a helper's toilet, you'll have all the space you need to live comfortably. Enjoy resort-style living with a beautiful pool located on the 3rd level of the building. Lounge in the sun, take a dip, and relax in the peaceful surroundings of Starlight Suites Penthouse. Located near the Great World MRT station, this freehold property offers convenience and accessibility like no other. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to own a piece of luxury in Singapore. Contact Johnson Ooi from Orange Tea AAG at 9009-8197 for more information and to schedule a viewing.